I have a sneaking suspicion somebody put a retrofit fitting on here and put 134 refrigerant in here without putting in that universal garbage ester oil, POE oil, that they did years ago. And the reason I say that is how fast and how low my vacuum has gone. Usually it only does this when it's only mineral oil. This is about 10 minutes, which on POE oil, ester oil, usually it won't do this, because usually anytime somebody put ester oil in there, it usually came out of a contaminated bottle that they've had for months, and they pour some in there, usually, but not all the time. It's a possibility they used the little jerk-off cans that have oil in it already. That could have been a possibility, so it's somewhat dried when it went in. But due to the fact that I've been able to get down, and the pump is running, vacuum pump is running right now. It goes up to 1,000 microns after leveling off, which is also unusually low for having POE oil in the system. And so I'm gonna fill this up and look for leaks. Still with nitrogen. And then if I still don't find leaks, because this was the source of the leak, then I'll fill it up with refrigerant. I'll vacuum it again and fill it with refrigerant. But this has the original old dealer installed kit, the old Frigidaire A6, and everything is hose clamps. I had 450 psi in this system on the high side and 250 psi on the low side, and I could not find any leaks other than the EPA's created leak. So let's find out what happens to this. But that is a unusually low micron reading, unusually fast. That usually only happens when there's mineral oil only in the system.